Hey there. I'm with one of my favorite trees. I'm going to span up her trunk for you to see this majestic tree that I spend quite a bit of time with. She calls me here and I sit like I am right now at her trunk. And I'm here to talk to you about spring Qigong and the wood element. Because the wood element is all about resiliency. Trees can live for hundreds of years because they're always connected to their source. They're always connected to the light, to the earth, to the water, to the wind, to the fire, to the metal. And since they're always connected to their source, they have a powerful, strong core. They're rooted, they're expanded, they're uplifted, they're abundant. And they have multiple pathways and channels in which they can express themselves and bring their essence into the world. Did you know that trees emit compassion? Like they have a sphere, a radiance of compassion. They are in sacred exchange with every breath we take, with every inhale and exhale we make, they are making the opposite. And so they are exchanging their life force with ours. We have so much to learn from this sacred element, from the trees, from wood, from spring. And in our Qigong for spring journey that we're about to embark on, you're going to learn all about the wood element, all about the liver, about its paired organ, the gallbladder, and about how to create and manifest your vision, and how to have the courage and the creativity to bring it into fruition. So, read below, this page below, to find out more, and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll see you on the other side.